Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your Gmail. Open up your Gmail. After you open up your Gmail, click on the profile icon. Then click on Google account. Then scroll down until you get to. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on security and sign in. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on two-step verification. Then enter your security lock pattern. The next thing you need to do right here is to scroll down right here and make sure you click on turn on two-step verification. Then this is going to pop up right here. You are now protected with two-step verification. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on done. Then you can simply go back. Here we go. Now you can see that two-step verification has been turned on for your Gmail account, and with this, your account is going to be more secure. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use Gmail account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.